Oh, fuck, this is so much easier.
So you gotta get out of like the.
There's something I know. I'm sorry. I was thinking about that.
Our characters have potty mouths.
No. It's just I do as a human being.
We fucking too. Sorry.
I find this way easier than when they're on camera interviews. I don't know why, because in front of camera in real life, but like I panic.
There's no light over here.
Who needs it? So we're on camera.
You're all silhouetted by the glow, red glow. So.
Kind of is.
Yeah.
What drew you to your characters?
Ooh. Who's going first?
I like how confident she is. I like how self-assured she is and how much she's a lot smarter than she wants people to know. And so she just wants people's expectations of herself lowered, so she'll just have fun over them. Yeah, that's the one. Or meet them.
Man,
She's good with meeting them at low.
That's a good answer.
For me, it was how she's very confident too.
Yeah.
And I think that's what makes Taylor and Brooke so close. But she's also like very just silly and sarcastic, and I really love that about her. She's a lot, wanting to have a lot of fun all the time. Yeah. Not taking things too seriously all the time.
And then there's me.
We're trying to break you out of your shell.
Yeah. I just like how caring Natalie is. I mean, she kind of put her life on hold to take care of her mom, so yeah, I think she's caring, and that you see who she kind of used to be when she was younger, but it's fun to play someone who's going through something and then is having an experience that kind of brings them back to who they used to be at heart.
Back to reality.
Can you tell us some about the camaraderie between the cast?
On set or on
both?
Like, in the script? Well, Bex.
It's really, really fun. As characters, we're all getting together, and aside from Natalie, essentially, this is a group that has grown together, and they're constantly hanging out together, and Natalie's kind of coming in, and we're trying to embrace her, bring her into the fold.
Yeah.
And in reality, there is no one who needs to be brought into the fold. It's really so easy to just hang out together.
We also, the three of us, we camera together in LA
so
2 months ago. A month and a half ago.
I don't even know what time it is right now.
January.
So that was really exciting, and then it can be nerve-wracking when you're stepping onto a set. We all have love interests, and when you're stepping onto a set where you haven't met your love interest, you don't know what hand you're being dealt. And we were all dealt pretty solid hands.
Oh, yeah.
So I think we just got really lucky.
And also, not to take away from that, but also in terms of like we have to have pretty solid friendships. Like these two have to have solid friendship. These two have to have solid friendship, and these 6 have to have a solid base. And that was easy to create.
Yeah. I think it speaks to Greg.
Oh
too.
yeah.
Like as a director, he's just made a really safe space, and it was really important to have a rehearsal process before we started shooting, which doesn't always happen. So he made sure that happened, and I think that made a huge difference.
Yeah, just being able to get together, both in the rehearsal space, and then we had dinners together, making sure that we were kind of able to talk to each other and express about where we were coming from as characters, and how my character for them is what connects them. You know, I'm the one that she's like from when I was younger, and she's like currently how I'm acting now, and I'm just
merging those friend groups.
Yeah, merging the friend groups,
and that's hard in real life. So
Yeah.
bringing that to the screen is really fun to do.
Yeah, so it's just been really great, because it's not, if we didn't have that safe space, it'd be really hard to do, because there's so much, these characters depend on each other to connect.
Also being on location.
Oh yeah.
Being stuck together is good.
Literally, how is it dealing with the cold and the weather and the actual weather? At least you're filming for. You're wearing outfits that are somewhat for the season.
Are they?
Somewhat for fall, not for this cold.
Yeah,
I got tights, shorts, tank top, vest.
Yeah.
I think Taylor missed the memo. She was so excited to like dress up as a punk for Halloween. She forgot what it was going to be like outside.
Yeah. I think it's just been, I don't know, it's another thing that
It's been really
bringing
funny.
us together.
Yeah.
Literally, quite literally.
We huddle like penguins between
Yeah.
takes.
Out of necessity. But yeah, it's been also having night shoots. I think it sort of gets you in that groove of like depending on each other to keep going.
We all like supported each other. We actually decided like a few days before we started filming for the night shoots to like switch over to nighttime.
So we would hang out until 4 a.m. at the hotel just prepping because we're like, well, it's going to be a long 2 weeks if we don't off our schedules around.
Which I think we'll be doing again when we switch back to days.
Yeah. We'll be so tired though, it'll be easier.
Yeah.
I get the impression through all the meetings that we've done today that you were the easiest to scare.
That's true. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I'm a really jumpy. It's funny because yeah, fine, I am. No, I'm a really jumpy person, and so it's easy for like little things to spook me. But I'd like to think that somewhere in me there's a bit of resolve that if I were actually in this situation, I'd be like, no, I got it. But who knows?
I got scared by an electrician.
I just didn't know he was going to be right behind me. I don't know. It's just,
He was talking about the thing that Gail was talking to us about, that and just how this is a lot about strong female.
Oh yeah.
Jinx.
Jinxing all day. No, it's actually one of the things we love is that this is a movie where the females are leading, and we're the front of it. And we're who connects everybody to who, and
yeah,
just
1
kinda-
to 3 on the call sheet
Yeah,
are
it's
women,
pretty-
Which is
Badass.
awesome. It feels so good to look
Yeah.
at.
Yeah, and we kind of get to have a lead, like leading where those things go, and like it's really great.
It's a lot about the women taking the dudes under their wings and being like, this is what we're doing. You're coming along. Have fun.
which is sort of in an odd way, and I don't want this to come off in a negative way, but it's also imitating life in a weird way because the three of us have had a little bit more experience than our counterparts, and that is also something I've never really encountered before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's been really cool to have 3 lead characters who also have experience and are comfortable on set, and it's really great.
Was there a particular costume or creature or set piece that unnerved you the most?
Everything. Pretty much. Like they've been pretty spot on with everything. And even though we know, like from reading the script and then describing it to us and we come into it, when you're actually in the scene, a lot of times you don't have to act. Like it's just they've done a great job. But yeah, no, they've been pretty spot on with everything they've done here. Like, creepy shit is going down.
I said earlier I kind of take after Taylor in I revere it than fear it. Yeah. And so I've just been geeking out over all the really cool netherworld costumes.
We have been geeking out. When we first walked in here, we were freaking out. Yeah. Because I went to Netherworld this past year. And so, like, it's just cool to see some of the people and, like, some of the stuff that they've done. It's pretty dope.
I think we even got some set pieces from Netherworld.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see when we switch to interiors, we'll have the insides of the mazes and stuff. Yes. I don't know who said it, but apparently someone said to one of us, not to me, but they said, if you think this is great,
Wait
just
till you
wait
see
for
the
the
mazes.
mazes.
Yeah.
And it's like, how can they get better? But yeah,
I want to see the mazes.
I know, I'm really excited.
They're going to call you guys in about 2 minutes. So one more question.
What's that?
There's not one more question. They're gonna-
Make it a good one.
All right.
You want to go? Make it a good one. I got pressure now.
I'll
Yeah,
go.
go ahead.
There's 3 of you, the leads. Would you say that kind of flips what the expectations of a final girl are as far as the film is concerned?
I like that question.
Of a
Yeah,
what
I do
girl?
too.
Sorry.
A final girl.
Oh.
Well, I mean,
Sorry.
please
No,
go. You know. You're number 1 on the call sheet. You go first.
No, I think. No, I can't. I don't know. No, I think it's just funny that Final Girl singular has been a thing for so long, and it.
On Scream, we tried to make it Final Girls, and then it worked in some ways and it didn't work in others. But like, I like to think that kind of maybe Final Girl isn't the only way to do it anymore. It be nice to kind of push those old rules and see how far we can bend them.
And like, what about final boys? Like, do we care at all about whether, like,
No.
do you know what I mean?
No, I don't care.
No, but it's like we just assume that all the guys are gonna live, and like, oh, there's not, you know. But anyway, yeah, I guess in a way, yeah, it's sort of a nice twist on things. It's a good question. I don't know if I answered it. But
I like the girl's full answer.
yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, guys.
Thank you so much.